In this video, I will show you how you can destroy one meteor and create two of them. And you can see, if you destroy a medium one, it will create two small one. And if you destroy a big one, it will create two medium ones. You can see it in here. Beautiful. Let's see how we can do that. For doing that, because we want to spawn the meteor medium and meteor small at the location of their bigger meteor, we want to click on this box and change its collision to no collision at the beginning. If you remember, on enemy base, at the beginning, we have set the box to no collision, and after 1 second, for example, we set the collision back. So that's why at the beginning of this, we want to change the collision preset to no collision. Next thing that you want to do, we want to go to blueprints, go to explosions, and in explosion base, we want to click on the paper flipbook and change its collision to no collision as well. So it will allow us to spawn new meteor when it has some explosion before, right? So now with that done, we need to go back in here, and in here we should decide when and where to spawn new meteor, right? If you remember, in enemy base we had a event any damage, but this event any damage is mostly for the ship and we want to override it, right? Right now, if we go to our level, what I want to do, I want to destroy all of these, just leave one of them, the big ones, and run. Let's see what will happen. We can destroy it, right? And everything works like before, but when we override this event any damage that is in our enemy base inside our enemy meteor base, it won't happen anymore. So in here, search for event any damage, this one. Now with that, if you hit compile and run, let's see what will happen. We can shoot it, but it won't be destroyed and it won't have an explosion, right? So in here, first thing first, we need to spawn explosion. So we say spawn actor from a class, and what class we want to spawn is our explosion. Let's just use the medium one, right? For the transform of it, we can get the actor transform, This will give us the transform of our meteor, right? So right click on it, split the strike pin, and right click on this one, split the strike pin. We need just the location and the rotation. Now with that done, we can destroy it, right? Destroy actor. Now, if we run, it will be exactly like before. If we shoot it, it will be destroyed and it's working fine. But no, before destroying it, we want to spawn a medium meteor, right? For example, so in here we say spawn actor from a class. This time, let's just say a medium meteor. For no, of course, meteor medium. And for the transform of it, right click on it, split the strike pin. We can just use this one, get actor transform, Control V to paste it, Control C to copy it, Control V to paste it, and put it like these two here. Beautiful. Now with that done, if we run and shoot at it, you can see it will create another medium, and if it destroys it one more time, again it will create another one, right? But in here we don't want to use a class like this, a hard-coded class like this. What we want to do, we want to promote it to a variable, and we can call it class to spawn on destroy, right? So with these, we can decide what to spawn on destroy. By default, I want to put it on medium. No, we can go to meteor big and click on class default. You can see we can change the class to spawn on destroy. By default it is medium, and on medium, meteor medium, we can change that to a small one, right? Search for meteor small. Now let's just hit compile, and now if we run, let's see what will happen. If we shoot it, we create a medium one. If you shoot it one more time, see, if you can see it create a small one, and if we shoot at this one, it will create a medium one. Why? Because in meteor small, the class to spawn on destroy, let me go to class default, is the medium one, and we don't want that. We want it to be none, right? Compile, and now if we run, let's see what will happen. It will create a medium one. Shoot it one more time, it will create a small one. Shoot it one more time, you can see it's not spawning anything. That's good. Now we want to spawn 2 meteor when a big meteor destroy it, right? So for doing that, we can do the same thing that we are doing in here. Control C to copy it and Control V to paste it over here, right? Like this. Connected like this. Now with that, it will spawn 2 of it. Just the collision handle override, change it to always spawn, ignore the collision. Always spawn, ignore the collision. Now let's just test that. If we run and shoot at this one, you can see it creating 2 of meteor. If we again shoot at it, again it will create 2 of the small one. Just look at it. If I can shoot at the first. Again, and you can see it did destroy it completely, but you can see it will give us an error because in a small one it is trying to spawn in something that doesn't exist. How we can fix that? We can in here just override event any damage, right? And we don't want to spawn anything, we just want to spawn explosion like this. Copy it, paste it over here, just like this, and after that just destroy it, right? Destroy actor. Beautiful. Now with that done, it won't give us any error. Shoot 2 of them in here, 2 of them here, and if we close, there is no error because we are not spawning none, right? So in this meteor small, we are overriding event any damage one more time, so we won't allow it to spawn anything, right? Beautiful.